Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the German half-track motorcycle. So let's go ahead and do this correctly here. First of all, you cut off all these sprue cuts. Just get those all done, and then after this, well, we're continuing the process. More sprues. So we got those pieces. This piece is good. Gonna cut here, 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 here. Then we'll clean up stuff now. So that piece is all good. That piece is good. And then cutting here and here. Those are the mud flaps. Alright, and then go ahead and cut right here. That's the hitch. Alright, the back railing of the motorcycle. Then this is the handlebars. Alright, I think we got done all the cutting away. So now we're going to glue this together piece by piece. The simplest piece to glue together, of course, is the two halves of the actual vehicle. That's done. Now, why don't we glue on the tracks? Just put some glue like that along that edge there. And then the chain wheel will be going in the front. Yep, it is confirmed. The chain wheel goes in the front. Alright, so put some glue here. Put that chain wheel in the front. Just remember to do that. There you go. That's good. Now take these two halves of this tire. Just put a little glue like that. And then try to glue this piece together. I think that's fine. Now, I'm working with a 28mm 1/56 scale, so it's fairly forgiving. If you're working with a small scale, be careful. So you see how that worked out. Simple enough. Put some glue like that. Then put the handlebars here. Here's those handlebars. Now, go ahead, put some glue like that. There, 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 and there. This one, I'm going to put some tweezers here just to help me guide this in a little better. There you go. That's great. So while that glues together, why don't we get this stuff gluing here? So get some glue there, like that. And then go like that. Alright, so there's that. While that kind of dries or whatever, let's go ahead and put a glue here. And here we have the trailer hitch. So let's put that trailer hitch there. There you go, there's the trailer hitch. Next, let's put some glue along this edge here. And let's see if we can get this piece successfully on there. It's great. So let's let that dry. Up next, put some glue there and there. And here's these mud flaps. Put a mud flap there. These tweezers come in handy. Alright, there's a mud flap there and a mud flap there. Last but not least is just putting some glue there and there. Then take this piece, slide it there. Then I'm gonna let all that dry. But there it is, the little half-track motorcycle from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com.